Okay guys, so welcome back in this rail fanning video. Today we at the field. So yeah, we got a train coming right now. He's at Boku. So we should be here in 10 minutes or so. So yeah, see how much trains we can get in this video. Roll on to the next clip. Roll it. There it goes. Off to Nippigan. Okay guys, so that was that train that was at Boku down the tracks. So yeah, I'm not sure if there's any more trains coming, but I'm just gonna wait here for a bit more longer. If I don't hear anything on the scanner, then I'm gonna start heading back. So roll on to the next clip. Roll it. Okay guys, so this is gonna wrap it up for today's Railfanning Grab. Hopefully you guys liked it. It was nice going back to the old railfanning spot that I've been a while ago. So yeah, make sure to leave a big thumbs up, subscribe, and yeah, have a nice rest of your day. See ya.